Many people are wondering, is diabetes genetic? And the answer is partly. When parents are sick, their children's chance of having a weak constitution and being sick are greater. And their children's chance of being sick is greater, and on and on and on it goes. So genetics are somewhat adaptable, and therefore it's a partial influence on the diabetic reality, but only partially. It's a multifactorial situation, and the main problem, the main influence is the excess and overriding amount of sugars that are being bombarded in our body every single day. If you'd like to know what you can do about diabetes and the associated complications and health problems, call us for a free consultation or visit us at michaelformandom.com.